Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Friends, this video covers a very beautiful design ideas and topics related to hand embroidery and the best designs for hand embroidery lovers, hand embroidery beginners and hand embroidery artists. But before going into the further details, please do subscribe my channel, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. Guys, I do my best to share different stylish and amazing trending ideas with you on daily basis. Guys, the video, the basic purpose, the main concern behind all of the design collection is to share some beautiful and easy to make embroidery ideas, but our main concern is not to copy someone else's content. So do follow these patterns, and if you try any of the patterns mentioned in the video, then do share your experiences with us, that how was the color combinations, and how beautifully you have designed, and which type of percentage of accuracy you have achieved while making these patterns. Simple and beginner friendly hand embroidery design ideas, embroidery stitches have been used to give you a more exquisite and delightful treat. And with this, allow me to leave, but you don't go anywhere. Watch the video till end so that you could get all the amazing and trendy ideas. Friends, the beauty of this video is that you can use these very beautiful designs for machine embroidery, digital computerized embroidery, and even you can also use these patterns for liquid embroidery also. To make these dresses formal, you can use fabric material, silk, raw silk, grip, crinkle chiffon, and velvet, organza, and other type of heavy fabrics that give the formal touch. And to make them more beautiful and fancy, you can also use beads and sequences. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and you can also subscribe from other devices so that we could get a huge and remarkable number of YouTube friends and family members, and we could grow organically. Thank you so much for your support, and hope to see you soon in my channel with my new upcoming videos. Up till then, take care.